Alright, here we have the Meloetta box from the Mythical Pokemon collection, and I'm gonna open it up for you guys. So here we go. Just open the side. Alright, pull it, all of it out. Make sure there's nothing left in the box. Alright, so the first thing I see is this celebrate 20 years of Pokemon. And so just a list of the mythical boxes and yeah, some other information regarding other boxes and just some more information about different Pokemon that you can collect. So that's exciting. Alright. And so here we go. Open this up. Set that aside. Alright, so the first thing that we see, obviously, is our Meloetta pin. So that's nice. I'll just set that right over here. And then, so we've got our 2 Pokemon Generations booster packs. We've got our code card. And, of course, we have our Meloetta card. I'll pull out very carefully. So, Meloetta, full art, and cool. Yeah, so that's exciting too. Obviously, we knew we were going to get that in the box, so be a terrible surprise if it wasn't in there. Alright, so I'll set this aside. Line it up right. Alright, and so here we've got 2 booster packs. I'm gonna open up Pikachu first. So here we go. Alright. See water energy right off the bat. Alright. There's Pikachu. I'll take, is it 1, 2, 3, I think. Alright, cool. We've got a Raichu. And set that down. Set that down. And Pokemon Center Lady. I'll set that down. And I was just going to set them down based on common, uncommon, etc. And we got Energy Switch, which is uncommon. Our water energy. Then we got a Krabby, which of course is common. Ghastly, Meowth. And we've got a reverse hollow Machop and a Meowstic, which is uncommon. And a Machamp. Cool. Hollow Machamp, rare. So that's exciting. That's pretty cool. Alright. And here comes the second pack, our Charizard. Make sure I can get it all. Alright. Start off with a Grass Energy. There's Charizard. 1, 2, 3, and here we go. So we've started off with a Swablu, and then we've got a Clefable, uncommon, and we've got a Machoke, uncommon, which is pretty sweet. Now we've got a Machoke and a Machamp, if you missed it, so that's cool. There's that Grass Energy. I've got a Geodude. Sweet. And Pikachu. Caterpie. Oh, sweet. We've got a, let's see, that's a Reverse Fairy. Reverse Fairy. Cool. Alright, and, wow, sweet. Wally. Which is uncommon. Sweet. And a Doug Trio. So we've got a rare Doug Trio. So nice. So that's fun. Awesome. Cool. So I think that's a pretty good haul for just 2 packs. So, all right, thanks guys.